guys, it's Donna. I just wanted to share a quick little video this morning showing you what I did yesterday. My tomato bisque recipe that I uploaded last week. I decided I was going to can it so that we would have it for the winter. Now what I did here, the difference between the canned version and what I made for the meal is I did not make a roux. I did not use any butter, any milk in this whatsoever. It is strictly all the vegetables that I can have, and it's no corn products in it whatsoever, so it's very safe for those of us who are allergic. So it came out simply gorgeous. And as you can see, it's got this beautiful, beautiful, rich color. And it's nice and thick. It's canned perfectly. So I hope you guys will take, if you're a canner, take this recipe and use it. The video, I uploaded it last week, so it's a pretty new video, so you can check it out on how to make this soup. And it's wonderful in the wintertime to have with my faux cornbread, which is the second video, or you could use a grilled cheese or whatever you want with it. It's just simply delicious. So I hope you guys will try this and let me know how your results came out. And I'll be uploading another video very soon. See you soon. Bye.